Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making the Razor Crest from the Mandalorian. If you've never seen the Mandalorian before, it's a Star Wars TV show. Yeah, it is a TV show. It's on Disney Plus, but I won't spoil the whole thing. But basically Mandalorians are like bounty hunters, and this is the story of a certain Mandalorian. And if you've seen Baby Yoda before, yeah, that's where it's from. But so I made a ship. It's called the Razor Crest, and yeah, this one was really fun to make. But before we continue any further, if you like my channel, if you like this video, then just please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm so close to 100 subscribers. I'm at 97 currently, and if you subscribe, guess what happens? I can do a custom vanity URL, whatever, and then instead of my channel URL being something stupid like youtube.com/channel/uzcz4 something, it can be 3D youtube.com/channel/3D Uncle Dan, and that would be really epic. That's my career goal, to get a custom URL. So yeah, please help me do that. Just tap the subscribe button. It would really help. It's completely free. You can change your mind anytime you want. But okay, so back to this. Yeah, right now I'm making this thing. I don't even know what they're called. The boosters. I'm pretty sure they're called the boosters. But this thing is what boosts it. Well, obviously from boosters. And so yeah, that's what it does. Let me tell you something about. So this ship was actually made. Actually, I have no idea when it was made. I don't know why I said that. I just wanted to say an interesting fact, and it didn't work. I should probably read some books about this or watch this more. Okay, now I'm making the cockpit. I think that's what it is. The window, the cockpit, whatever. This is where the Mandalorian, he goes to drive the ship, because that's what you do in a cockpit. If you didn't know, if you've never flown a plane before. I haven't either, but I just know because, well, actually I have no idea how I know, I just do. Okay, now I'm making like the front part. I don't really know what that's for. I think that's for extra storage, but that's not part of the cockpit, so I have no idea what that's for. I think it's just there, honestly, and I filled that in. Now I'm making the guns, the blasters, whatever. This one was actually surprisingly kind of hard to make. The shape was pretty hard, yeah. So okay, now I just filled the whole thing in. That took a while. It took like 2 days to fill that whole thing in, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was 2 days. Okay, and then after that I just did the rest off camera. Now I'm soldering it with my soldering iron. That took 2 days too, because this thing was really big. It was, well, I mean, it's actually quite small, but it's big to solder the whole thing. There's okay, this is advanced maths. Okay, so I did the rest off camera. Now, as you can see, it's really smooth and it looks burnt, but I can fix that by painting it. I painted the whole thing gray. Now I did the rest off camera, and then I painted this with yellow at first. And I got the shape actually wrong, and so as you can see, now it's like more of a tan color, a yellow-brown color, and you can't see it. You can see it on my Instagram post. You can follow that too if you want. But the A is like a little bigger. Then I just painted the cockpit so it looks nice, and so yeah, that ended up looking pretty nice. And so yeah, this video is almost over. Remember to just hit that subscribe, like, if you want more videos, and follow my Instagram for progress updates. I post them a lot more often than my videos. Also, if you have any questions or you just want to hang out, then join my Discord. All the links will be in the description. And so, see you in the next one. Goodbye. Wait, are you guys gonna... Do I have to make Baby Yoda now? Okay. Forget that I said that, okay? I'm not making Baby Yoda.